Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Chelsea, and today I'm going to give you a review of my Fab Fit Fun Winter 2020 box. So if you're not familiar with Fab Fit Fun, it's a subscription service that comes quarterly. So fall, spring, winter, and summer. And there's a few different options for subscribing. You can do a quarterly subscription where you just pay every quarter once you see what's in the box, or you could do a yearly subscription, which is slightly reduced, and then you get to select more categories. So there's typically like around seven categories, 7 to 8 categories. And if you pay for the yearly subscription, then you get to pick the first 5. So they'll tell you like, here are the 5 or 6 products you can pick from in this category, and you get to customize your box. Whereas if you just pay for the quarterly subscription, you only get to customize the first 3 categories. So 2 extra categories by paying for the year. So let's see what I have in my winter box. Now, you can also pay for additional products. They have greatly reduced products that they do kind of an add-on sale, or if you're customizing your box, you can add on an additional product in that category for, $11, $15. So I'll link the website down below. You can check it out for yourself. I'm sure you've heard of it at this point, and most people have heard of Fab Fit Fun. So let's see what I got. So this was an add-on, and this is the Peppermint Mocha. I've actually opened this and looked through it. Peppermint Mocha Sugar Scrub and Balm. So it's a peppermint lip scrub and lip balm. So I added that on, which I'm really excited to have these. And then they just threw this Kind dark chocolate nuts and sea salt bar in, like a sample in the box. So these I also added on to my box. These are by Bobble Bar. Super pretty earrings. Love those. It comes with a little catalog that takes you through all the different products. Okay, I got the Christoph Robin Perfect Hair Duo. It comes with a detox scrub and a repairing mask. So I've actually heard a lot about this brand. The scrub is supposed to be like a treatment for your scalp. And it just looks like it's a sugar scrub that you would like really dig into your scalp, and then a repairing mask for your hair. So I'm excited to try those. That'll be really fun. And then I also got this Algenist Complete Eye Renewal Balm. And I've been wanting to try this for a really long time. I've heard several people talk about this eye cream. And yeah, I'm really excited that I got this. This was one of my categories that I got to customize, and I picked this. I was excited to see it as one of the selections. Another pick of mine were these Muckluck socks. So these are super cute. They have these little like bobble things that hang, really cozy. We have a travel trailer that we take out even in the winter. And so I'm going to put these in our travel trailer. I think these will be really cozy and fun to have in there. Another customization, the Laura Geller Cinnamon and Spice Makeup Palette. So it's eyeshadows. I haven't ever had any Laura Geller eyeshadows before, and all the colors looked really wearable. You know, sometimes you see these eyeshadow palettes where like you might wear just a couple of the colors. This one looked really good. So lots of kind of neutrals, pinks, nice colors. So I'm excited to give those a try and have this palette. Really fun that was in the customization. And then I got this apple cider vinegar dry shampoo powder. I'm not sure about this. Most dry shampoos I use are the spray kind, but this one you just kind of shake onto your hair, and it's just a powder, like a baby powder, and then you'd kind of work it in. So we'll see how it works. It smells pretty good though. It doesn't smell like strong cider. And then a couple more things. So this was one of the categories that they picked for me, and I got the Phase Zero blush. And it looks kind of just like a nice tangerine colored blush. So that'll be really fun for the springtime. Let's see if I'll swatch it here. That's nice. Yeah, that'll be a nice springtime blush. Excited to have that. I also got this Vanilla Bean Lip Scrub. I'm trying to remember if this was an add-on. I just dropped it. So it was a Vanilla Bean Lip Scrub. I don't remember if this was an add-on or not, or if it was one of the categories that they picked for me. Let's see. Looks like this. But can never have enough lip scrubs. I use them all the time. One of the categories they picked for me was a scrunchie. So I got a set of 2 animal print scrunchies. Always nice to have some more hair ties. I haven't had a scrunchie in a really, really long time. I know they're all the rage again. And then I've heard a lot about these blankets. This is the, what's it called? Unhide for Love Not Fur small blanket. So I've heard a lot about these blankets. They're super soft. And so I'm really excited to have this blanket. So that was what I got in my Fab Fit Fun winter box. I will, again, link information down below if you're interested. I think I have a discount code you could also use if you want. I believe it's $10 off your first box. And then the next box cycle begins like in the next week or so, that you can start customizing your choices and order to get it on the spring 2021 box. So check it out if you're interested. And again, if you're new to my channel, I would love to have you subscribe and stick around, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.